this life is only finite. The good and the bad times will be left behind as we make our way through this journey to the finest place for infinity. Lord, don't deny me your paradise. Jannah, Jannah, it's all I ever wish for. This life is not eternal, but the next will last forever. Jannah, Jannah, it's all I ever wish for. Oh God, please don't deprive me a blissful life eternally.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respected brothers and sisters, Alhamdulillah, this is our final day in West Bengal. We have done many projects throughout the week, and this was our final project where we have built a masjid for a beloved friend of mine who left this world on 9th of December 2020, Marhum Hafiz Faisal from Preston. And we decided to raise funds to build a wudu khana for Brother Marhum Faisal. But Alhamdulillah, with the generous donations we received from family and friends, not just from the UK, but even from abroad, we got enough funds to build a masjid on behalf of him, as well as we will be building a maktab to teach the kids madrasa in this local village. Alhamdulillah, in this community we have the masjid here, and with the masjid, Alhamdulillah, the masjid is full, where we just prayed our Dhuhr namaz. And this is something which really has brought happiness into my heart, knowing Marhum Hafiz Faisal from a very childhood, where I attended infant, juniors, primary school, as well as madrasa. In that, we were in the same class as well, and we used to walk to madrasa and school together as well. This is the friend who I had, who I was very close with, and Alhamdulillah, he was also a person who had love for the Quran, and for that love of the Quran, Allah today has built a masjid for him, and may Allah have mercy on him, may Allah have mercy on his family members, and may Allah also reward all the brothers and sisters who have donated for this project. And inshallah, one day when we leave this world, inshallah, people behind us will also build a masjid for us. Once again, Jazakallah to all the donors who have supported us in this project. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Oh, how I long for the moment I see you, Allah. Meet Muhammad with all his companions in the place no eye has ever seen, filled with love, peace and tranquility. Don't deny me your paradise.